to Market Bag. This week we're zeroing in on a Christmas favorite, Sorrel. With the holiday season approaching, I know many of you are curious to know if the price have gone up or down. So stick around to find out. Hi Tyrone, I see that you're selling Sorrel. How much a pound this week?
This week it's $800, and for the coming weeks, the prices will rise because it's going to get lesser and lesser, and there's no water to water the sorrel because the rainfall has reduced and the rivers have receded. And next week is Christmas week, it's the rush week when everybody wants, so the price will go up for the demand.
So what happens if nobody buys?
If nobody buys, we sell them to the factory, like Nice's, Grace, and all Miracle, and all the juice factories in Crossroads, and you know, you name them.
I see you buying some Sorrel. How do you feel about the prices this week?
Well, not too bad. The prices are good. It's not too ridiculous, you know. I think after the storm, it's really getting better and better each day, you know. So I would advise anyone that want to buy anything in the market, they should come over and buy it, you know, because the prices are reasonable. The things are a little bit not too pricey, but it's reasonable, all right?
So guys, you have heard yourself. The price of sorrel is only expected to go up as Christmas approaches. Till next time, join us for our next episode of Market Bag.